My name is John Schueler. I am the Director of Audio for World Wrestling Entertainment, and I'm here with you in Berlin, Germany. We switched to Riedel a few years ago, and Riedel has been a game changer for us. Coming from wireless communication packs 10, 20 years ago that had 2, 4 channels, and then when the Bolero was developed, the 6-channel up-belt pack, again, just a game changer for the television broadcast industry as a whole. The artist with the Bolero is key for us. For this show in Berlin, normally internationally we run about 64 Bolero channels, from party lines to point, that fills up our intercom. We use as many channels as possible, and domestically we're switching to the bigger system so we can use more channels. Normally, in the domestically United States, we run about 60 to 75 packs on our daily shows. Internationally, whether we're in Glasgow, Berlin, Lyon, France, we run about 125 Bolero packs. Then when we get into Saudi Arabia, then we bump it up a little bit to maybe 150, 175. Takes care of all my departments on the tour. Audio, some cameras, Steadicam, my lighting, screens, my photographers. Every department has the Bolero. When the Bolero came out in the 1.9, it changed everything for us, and it made our jobs a bit easier. Coverage is amazing. One of the special things about wireless comms and the Bolero as a whole is the voice quality. Voice quality is #1 for us. My stage managers talking to the producers in the truck, my camera guys listening to the directors, and voice quality is key. Also, range is exceptional.
My name is Charlie Kushing. I'm the Backstage A2 for WWE. The system has worked flawlessly for us for the past 5 years. We have various stage managers, riggers, lighting technicians, audio technicians, production personnel that use these packs for every single show, and they're a critical part of our production every night. Today we had an outdoor event called the Kickoff Show, which happened a couple hours before Friday Night SmackDown. We had previously used older analog systems that were generally 2-channel systems, and with the change in spectrum in the US and around the world, those systems were becoming harder and harder to use. So Riedel Bolero was a great option for us because of the ability to use it in multiple different markets. We're in a different city every Monday and Friday domestically in the US or Canada. So spectrum was constantly changing, especially with the transition a couple of years ago. So for us to have the ability to jump in and out of a market or a different building with different Wi-Fi or different spectrum, obviously, the flexibility of the Bolero has been a smashing success for us. It's worked everywhere we've been, anywhere.